Buckle up, guys, because we are about to dive into the world of Bloom. And trust me, you won't want to miss out on this very ride and urgent update. Imagine waking up one day and see those sweet coins that you are mining right now turn into massive value after listing on an exchange. This will be mind blowing. In this video, let's talk about Bloom, the listing date, mining, user, and Bloom ecosystem capabilities. All of this in this very video. And if you've not started mining Bloom yet, I will leave a link in the description of this very video. That will be the first link. Check it out and join right now and start mining. If you are new to this channel, please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content and educational videos. Bloom is not just another play to earn project. It is going to change the tide, and more reason why you need to take it seriously. And the Bloom airdrop is going to make a lot of waves on or before the listing date. From my little finding, Bloom team is working hard and ensuring that this token have value in the market. When it is listed on an exchange, which will happen very soon, the Bloom price looks hot in the future and things are looking entirely different. And the Bloom ecosystem is one of the best ecosystem in the play to end industry. Right now, we are looking at 0.20 cent per token. Okay, I hope you hear me right. 0.20 cent per token. And this will be further verified, and I will be able to confirm this when the Bloom team release their max supply, total supply, and notwithstanding the circulating supply, which is very important, that usually play important role in the bullish price move of newly listed token. Bloom also have the capability to reach $1 mark if the team really work hard and also work on the total supply and the circulating supply before listing, and every other factors that also contribute to high token price on the listing date. And the Bloom listing date is hot talk right now, and everyone lips is talking about it. Originally, it was slanted to be September 28th, then a little bit pushed back. Don't let the delay slow your momentum down. We are waiting, and new listing date will be released very soon from the Bloom team, and that announcement have not happened yet. And when it do, I'm going to give that very update on this very channel and how to go about it. And also, we have to understand that good things come to those who wait. And speaking of waiting, we need to be very careful. Mark our calendar right now, because I am certain that this Q4 in 2024 is going to be the listing time for Bloom. So there is high chance that the Bloom listing will happen very soon before the end of this very year, definitely. And if the listing comes in December, then this airdrop will make your Christmas and your new year very sweet and juicy. So let's talk about users now. About 20 million users have connected their wallet on Ton, and the Bloom airdrop seems to be bigger in my own opinion right now. And here is where it gets really interesting. The pre-market price of this token is sitting at around 2 cents as at the recording of this very video. Let's talk about mining. Normally, Bloom have difficulty in mining, which makes the airdrop unique in its own way. In my opinion, as more miners jump on board into the Bloom ecosystem and start mining, it gets tougher, and this will make the price of the token go really up, guys. Please take it very seriously, like I always say, and do it at your leisure. Now, here is the deal. The Bloom ecosystem is supposed to make some serious noise in the crypto world, and with an airdrop coming soon and the listing date yet to be announced, which we are going to get very soon before the end of December, in my own opinion, the date is going to be released. One important thing, guys, that we have to understand in this very airdrop world is that the crypto space is so wide and nothing is very certain. That is, there is a lot of uncertainties. So why we know that the potential of this very token and the Bloom airdrop is going to be enormous, we also need to keep it very simple and bear in mind that things can also go south if the team fail to work harder. Please, one thing very important here, don't go through your life saving into Bloom because I am talking about it. Just take it seriously, do it at your leisure, and if you want to put any money into Bloom, please do your own research. And after doing your research, and if you know that it applies, invest what you can afford to lose. And this is very important. Like I said earlier, if you have not started mining Bloom, I will leave a link in the description of this very video, and that will be the first link. Join right now and start mining. It is absolutely free. Please consider leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching.